Hey everyone, Lindsay here with Nerd News Social. Today we are traveling back in time again and doing another unboxing to test out another nerd-approved product by Elago. You might see us in our last video of another product, but this one is the W5 stand. All throughout the year, our geek expert Monica Scott searches for the best gear to give as gifts for her end-of-the-year gift-giving guide. This year, she found some amazingly nerdy products over at Elago, and they were kind enough to give us this product to review for you, to give you an up-close and personal look at the quality. So real quick about Elago, keep an eye out for them. They're a San Diego-based company that has been creating award-winning designs since 2002 with a focus on simple sophistication. If you love organization, high quality, and attention to detail, check them out. The product we are taking a look at today is the Elago W3 stand. It's an Apple Watch stand that is inspired by the original Gameboy design that was released to the world in April 21st, 1989. It's made from scratch-free silicone to prevent damage to your Apple Watch. It also prevents it from moving around when resting on a surface. And it comes in classic white, extreme black, jean indigo, and red. Now, taking a look at this product, it feels great. This is definitely a product that will hold up the Apple Watch very well. And the attention to detail is amazing. No, the buttons don't click or anything, but you can see that there is a high amount of detail in these buttons. And on the back side, it even has what looks like to be where you would put those 4 AA batteries, whatever it is, it's been a while, and the game cartridge, which just says Elago W5 stand. Doesn't come out, but it feels and looks really good. Stands very well. So all you would need is an Apple Watch and your own charging cables. So make sure that the side that actually charges your watch is facing outward. I found that the easiest way to feed the cable through is by going straight through the top and then into the back. So once I do that, you'll see that it comes out right at the bottom. So feed the whole thing through, making sure that in the end, the pad that actually charges is on the top. Now, finally, just stick the cable through this area and let's plug it in. Now that we plugged it in, take off your watch. With the button side up, slip it right in, and it should be good to go. What's great is it works still with nightstand mode, so if you just leave it in, it'll tell you the time. So this goes for the original Game Boy. When you bought it back in 1989 or the 90s, it went for about $90. This device here will only cost you $15.99. I'd say this was a good choice. No, it doesn't come with any games, but it does come with major nerd cred. So be sure to check out this item and so many more amazing products over at Elago in the links below. And in the comments, let us know your favorite nerdy products that you would like us to review next. Catch you next time.